Emily, which place would you like to go on vacation?
Elle loves snowy, hilly destinations. I would like to go to Canada.
Oh, no, it's freezing in the hilly areas of Canada. We should go somewhere else.
I love the cold weather. It's so refreshing. And the snow makes everything look magical. And it's fun to play in snow. I love making a snowman.
How can you like this? I'd rather like the beach, enjoying the sun.
I hate hot weather. It makes me feel sluggish and unproductive.
But you can't go outside in this weather. It's so cold. Plus, it's harder to get around in the snow.
That's why I love it. I get to stay indoors and cozy up by the fire.
I don't see how anyone can enjoy this. It's just so cold and hard.
Each to their own, I guess, but the cold weather has its benefits too. It can boost your immunity and help you sleep better.
That's true, but warm weather can improve your mood and increase your vitamin D level. I love the beach and the sun. It's more relaxing and enjoyable.
I can't stand the heat. It's too humid and sticky.
But you can do so much in the summer. Go on vacation, swim in the ocean, and enjoy the outdoors.
I prefer the winter sports, skiing, snowboarding, ice skating. It's so much fun.
That's true. It's all about personal preference. But I think we should enjoy San Diego's warm weather this vacation.
I haven't heard about San Diego. What kind of place is this?
San Diego is the perfect warm winter destination in the USA. San Diego is known for gorgeous weather and stunning beaches.
I can't wait to go to San Diego. I wish I could go today.
Be patient. We'll have to convince Mom and Dad.
Let's check. Where are Mom and Dad?
Where were you? We were waiting for you.
We were in the garden. We were talking about where to go on vacations.
Okay, darlings, we will talk about that at night. For now, we go to the nearby park.
Mama, can we have some cotton candy, please?
All right, kids, let's get some cotton candies. What flavor do you want?
I want the strawberry flavor. Can I have extra sprinkles on top, Mama?
Sure, honey. Strawberry with extra sprinkles on top. And what about you, Emily?
I want a rainbow cotton candy.
Oh, a rainbow one. That sounds fun. Got it. Let's get some fluffy treat.
Hey, there, Dot. What can I get for you folks?
Hi, we'd like strawberry cotton candy with sprinkles on top and rainbow cotton candy in a big cone.
I got it. It will take just a few minutes to make them fresh for you. Here you go, folks. One strawberry cotton candy with extra sprinkles and a rainbow cotton candy in a big cone.
Wow, they look fantastic. Thank you so much. How much do I owe you?
That'll be $15.
Here you go.
Enjoy.
This looks amazing. Thanks, Mama.
Yeah, thank you, Mama. I can't wait to taste the rainbow.
You both welcome, my dears.
Mama, have a bite of my strawberry. It's fluffy and sweet.
And Mama, try some of my cotton candy too.
That's so yummy. Thank you both for sharing. You two are the best.
I'm so happy I got cotton candy today. It's the best treat ever.
And it's even better when sharing it with Mama.
You two are so thoughtful. I'm glad we can have this sweet moment together.
Please like, comment, and subscribe for having another amazing conversation.